Okay guys, so today we're gonna do a review on this electric nail drill, and we're gonna open it up and assemble it together. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up for you guys so you guys can see. It comes this little box and it has the handle of the drill. Has the handle of the drill. So here it is, and it has the other end. This is one part. And it's a gold color, and it has the on and off button. And it has the switch to your right and left, and here is the plug to connect your device. You just have to make sure they fit on the right section, which you could guys see it has an arrow top here. And it has the volumes to turn it on and off. And it comes with your foot or hand infused. And also comes with the foot pedal, which it goes here. The drill. This little portion will go inside here, and when you're ready, it goes like this. Okay, if we're gonna exchange this, you just have to be very gentle, not too hard, and it releases it. Okay, so we put a new one. This one, we're gonna put this one inside here. You see the little hole, so make sure you put it inside here. And once again, you're gonna turn it to this area, very gentle, not too hard, and you have it there. So if you want to use your foot pedal, you just move it to the foot pedal. Or if you want to do it by hand, make sure you move this little button all the way to the right side, and you can do it by hand as fast as you can. To this one here, make sure that it's secured always. And you place it there. So you have this little thing that you could put it on top to rest anywhere while you are working with it. And if you want to try it out in your nails, you could always do it. Like if you're gonna do your own manicure, go ahead and try it out. Like I'm gonna go ahead and try it out for you guys so you guys could. Okay guys, so I hope you liked this short video, and I'm gonna go ahead and leave a link below so you guys could check this out at Amazon. And it's pretty fair for the price because it does amazing job on your hands. So don't forget to check it out at Amazon, and please give some thumbs up, and we'll see you until next time. Bye guys.